What if you could plan an entire month of social media content, captions, hashtags, hooks, and all in a single conversation with AI? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using Claude. No switching tabs, no separate tools, just one chat that does it all. Let's go. The master prompt. Set the context. First, head to Claude.ai, and here on the text box, this is where everything happens. One chat, 1 month of content. Now, before we type anything, let's think about what Claude needs to know. The more context you give it upfront, the better every single post will be. Here's the key. Your first message is your master brief. Type something like this. I run a fitness brand on Instagram and LinkedIn. My audience is busy professionals aged 25 to 40. My brand voice is motivational but practical. Create a 30-day social media content calendar. Include post type, caption, hashtags, and best posting time for each day. You can replace the niche, platform, audience, and tone with your own. Then click the send button, the arrow icon on the right, or just press enter. In seconds, Claude generates a full structured calendar. Each day has a content theme, a ready to use caption, hashtags, and a recommended posting time. You'll notice it mixes content types too: motivational quotes, tips, questions, behind the scenes, and promotional posts, so your feed never gets repetitive. Now, here's where it gets powerful. Refined by platform. You don't leave the chat, just type a follow up message. Say, rewrite the captions for LinkedIn, more professional, story driven, remove hashtags, and add a call to action at the end. Claude remembers everything from earlier in the conversation and adjusts the content without starting over. This works for any platform: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Request specific post types. Still in the same chat, ask for specific formats. Type, give me 4 carousel post scripts for week 1, each with a title slide, 5 content slides, and a call to action slide. Claude will format them slide by side so you can hand them directly to your designer or plug them into Canva. You can do the same for reels, scripts, stories, sequences, or Twitter threads. Just ask. Generate hashtag sets and hooks. Want a hashtag bank? Ask for it. Type, give me 5 hashtag sets of 20 hashtags each, grouped by motivation, productivity, fitness tips, mindset, and lifestyle. Then add, also give me 10 scroll stopping hooks for reels. You'll get everything in one response. Ready to copy and paste? No more guessing which hashtags to use each day. When you're happy with the output, hover over any response and click the copy icon at the bottom of the message. Paste it straight into Google Docs, Notion, or your scheduling tool like Buffer or Letter. You can also select specific sections manually and copy just what you need. For a full document, paste everything into one Google Doc, and you've got your entire content plan ready to go. That's a full month of content built in one conversation. A few pro tips before you go. 1. Save your master prompt as a template so you can reuse it every month. 2. Be specific. The more detail you give Claude about your niche and audience, the better the output. 3. Treat it like a collaboration. Keep asking follow-ups until the content sounds exactly like you. Claude doesn't just write posts, it thinks with you. Now go and create. Do you require help with AI automation? We can help. Check the link in the description. Hope you have learned how to use Claude for social media posts. Subscribe, like my channel, hit the bell icon for more such content, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.